Disappearing once is strange. But what if the same person disappears twice? This is a real-life mystery that no one can explain. If you love mysterious true stories, follow now and keep watching. Bruno Borges was a young student in Brazil. He loved philosophy, science, and mysterious. He had a normal life until one day in 2017 when something very strange happened. His family came home and saw that Bruno was gone. But the strangest part was inside his bedroom. The walls were covered with strange writings and symbols. A big handwritten book was on his desk, talking about a great discovery. In the center of his room, there was a giant statue of an old philosopher, Giordano Bruno. His family and the police searched everywhere, but there was no trace of him. People started making crazy theories. Some said he had entered another world. Some believed he had discovered the secret and had to escape. Then, after 4 months, he returned. But he refused to say where he was. He only said, "I was working on something big." But this was not the end of the story. A few months later, Bruno disappeared again. And this time, he never came back. Crazy theories about this case. Did Bruno discover something too dangerous to share? Was he taken by a secret organization? Did he really travel to another world? Where do you think Bruno went? Will he ever come back? Tell me your theory in the comments. And if you love true mysterious, subscribe now. More incredible stories are coming soon.